So you can literally make anything vegan and not kill animals. This is organic zucchini from my friend's garden. And she said, oh, I make a really good, like an eggplant parmesan, but it's with zucchini. But you can't do that, she said, because you don't eat the cheese. I said, no, I use mozzarella. It melts great. Miyoko's, this is before it's melted. And I have vegan parmesan. This brand, Follow My Heart. It will probably taste better because you're not killing animals and it's healthier for you. So here's an idea. You can make anything vegan. Bake it, little sauce, and vegan cheese. Namaste. And there's the finished recipe. Enjoy making vegan food. Save the animals and your health. Now this actually is not that great for you because it is it's coconut and cashew based organic vegan cheeses, still kind of high, I guess, in fat and such, but having a little bit still better for you than dairy or meat. Raw food, probably much better, but if you do cook, here's an idea. Enjoy. Namaste.